Iron Mountain Central Elementary School presented their 2010 Christmas program at the Iron Mountain High School auditorium recently. Mr. Ed Williams, Mrs. Gail Vorncall, and Mrs. Ann Brown were there to help the children sing songs such as Silver Bells, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Come All Ye Faithful, Silent Night, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas.